Hi guys, it is Miss Tanish1 here, and I am back with another video. As promised, I am going to give you guys a scoop and everything that you need to know about these do-it-yourself Microlocks that I have installed in my hair. Now, if I'm being 100% honest, I really wanted sister locks. So I started calling around looking for consultants and also looking for trainees as well. But my quote was quite expensive with the length of my hair. My quote was $1,900, and I knew that I could not afford that. So that's when I started looking up the interlock method and the 4-point rotation system. And I just started researching do-it-yourself microlocks. What you guys are seeing in this clip is me getting my hair ready for the installation process, so I was just finger detangling. Next, I washed my hair with a clarifying shampoo just to lift any dirt and debris and all the residue that may have been built up in my hair. I did add a little bit of leave-in conditioner because my hair tends to get really dry. Adding a leave-in conditioner is completely optional and up to you. Most people don't. I'm just twisting my hair in sections, getting ready to blow dry. I'm smoothing all the leave-in conditioner through, making sure that there's no buildup or anything like that. Next, I did blow dry my hair. I did do my best to kind of get the hair as straight as possible because my hair has a tendency to knot up and tangle on the ends. With do-it-yourself microlocks, parting is everything. So it was really important for me to make sure that my hair was parted as straight as possible and sectioned off into workable sections. So I did call my sister-in-law over to help me with the parting process, and right here she's just helping me blow dry. And as you guys can see, I am further detangling my ends. I also want to add that a few months before you lock, after you've made the decision to actually lock, you want to pay attention to your hair and your scalp and how your hair is behaving, so that if it is any type of problems or anything like that, you can have a plan of action already in place. For me, I already know my problem areas, and I already know what I'm going to do if any problems arise in those areas. I asked my sister-in-law to come over and help me with my parting because I just wanted to save a bit of time. It takes a lot of time parting your hair into straight workable sections. So she came all the way through, and look at those parts. Look at how crisp and how straight the parts are. One thing that you do want and sort of need is a nice base, which means essentially a straight grid. Um, a straight grid will help you with your retightenings. Aesthetically, they will look pleasing to the eye. And if you ever do decide that you no longer want to do your own retightenings, you can just transfer to a consultant and they will be able to retighten your locks quickly and efficiently if you have a good grid. I ended up with about 40 workable sections in my hair. I started off in the back of my hair with the installation, and the locks in the back of my hair are about 1/4 of an inch. I don't think I have any 3/8 of an inch, but the ones in the back are slightly bigger than the ones in the front and along the sides. Alright, you guys, the rest of this video is just me showing everyone how far I got every night, how each section looked completed, how my hair was hanging, and just how everything was coming together. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. I will be answering all questions, and stay tuned for parts 2 and 3 of my microlock installation video. I am doing a combination of interlocking the root, twisting down the length of my twists, and I'm braiding the last 2 to 3 inches for most twists. Not every single one, because in some places it does kind of taper off and get a little thin. So I just want to show you guys my progress. Excuse my pregnancy skin on my back. Oh, by the way, if you guys have not realized it, I haven't made like an updated video in years. I am almost 9 months pregnant. So I'm doing this with the 18-month-old toddler. We'll get into what's been going on in my life a little bit later. And I'm pretty much going to give birth. So I want to finish before I give birth. Here's a little belly shot for you guys.